Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a Bulgarian cake. It is called the cake of love. It is a spongy textured cake with cream filling inside, and it is very unique and simple, and I'm going to show you how to make it. These are all the ingredients you're going to need. 1 egg, 3/4 cups of sugar, and 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 3/4 cups of cream cheese, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, lemon zest, banana slices, 2 cups of juice from fruit cups, grated chocolate. You're going to need your cake platter, your pan, and 2 bowls. So now we are going to mix our dry ingredients first. So we are going to take our flour and pour it in, our sugar, our baking powder, our lemon zest, and our 1 egg. Now we're going to take our electric mixer and mix everything together. So this recipe didn't go as planned with all the ingredients, so I had to improvise and add some more ingredients. So I added 2 more eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of flour, and 1 cup of vegetable oil. So now the batter looks like this, all spongy and doughy like. So now we're going to grab our pans. You're going to need 3 pans for the cake. We're going to take our spray and just spray the pans down so it doesn't stick. I'm just gonna add a little more here. Okay. Now we're going to add our batter into the pans. The layers need to all be equal, so we're just going to make them more equal. Now that I put the batter in the pans, we're going to put it in the oven for 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. As the layers cook in the oven, we are going to begin making the frosting cream. So we're going to grab our cream cheese, and we're going to put our powdered sugar, but just a little bit as we mix it. So this is how it looks. So now it looks like this, and we're going to combine them together. Take like a spoon or a spatula and just pour it in little by little and keep on mixing it. So now that they're mixed together, we're going to add a vanilla extract. This is what it looks like. And now the frosting is done and ready to put on the cake when the cakes are done. Now the cake layers are cooled down and are out of the oven, and now we're going to frost it and decorate it. So before we put the frosting, we want to grab our juice and just put a little bit on the layers so it can moist the layers and so that it's not like dry inside. And the cake will absorb the juice. Okay, and now we're going to add our frosting in between the layers. Okay, this is the first layer. And now we're going to repeat for all of them and then decorate the whole cake. Now all the layers are together and we're going to put frosting on the outside and the sides. Okay, now the cake is fully frosted, and now we're going to decorate the cake. So we are going to put our grated chocolate all over the cake. Okay, now we're going to add our bananas around the top and the bottom edges. Okay, all the bananas are on, and this is optional, but if you want to add sprinkles, you can add sprinkles. This is how the cake looks now. It is all decorated and put together. This can be for birthdays, events, anything, celebrations, any celebration, or just for fun. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you learned how to make this cake, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video so other people can know how to make this cake. And also don't forget to put this in the fridge for a day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.